What's up, guys? So I want to do a quick video. I have a 2007 to 2013 GM truck. If you have one and you've been doing any transmission work or torque converter work or anything like that on your truck lately, you're gonna want to stick around for this video. As you can see, I got a pretty good gap right there. It's kind of hard to tell. So it's kind of hard to tell right there, but I got a pretty good gap. And this is really important, guys, if you're putting your transmissions back in. This is the same exact transmission that I pulled out, had rebuilt, put back in. And before, I didn't need any spacers. But now, I definitely need some spacers. But you would think, being the same exact case, same torque converter, everything, I wouldn't need the spacers. But I definitely have a way bigger gap than what I started with before. And it's definitely over the recommended tolerances. So let's go inside, do some math, and let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so I was able to get a piece of scrap metal up in there between the torque converter and the flex plate to give me a measurement. And then I came out here, used my calipers to measure that scrap piece of metal that fit in there perfectly. And I got a gap of 6.37 millimeters. So our tolerances, we want it to be between 3.18 and 4.78 millimeters. So about an 1/8 inch to 3/16. So we're gonna have to go with some spacers, and I'm kind of a perfectionist, and these all came out to different widths. So most of these are the same size, 1.88. So what you want to do, take your existing gap, this is the width of one spacer, subtract one from it, one spacer, okay, yeah, that's right, okay, and this is what our slack will be between that flex plate and that torque converter with just one spacer. And that'll land us perfectly between these tolerances right here. So if you had your transmission rebuilt lately, even though you use the same case, same torque converter, make sure you check that out.